In this video, I will show you how to convert negative number color to red and positive number color to green in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here I have an Excel sheet containing temperature data. Now what I want to do is change this positive numbers color to green and this negative numbers color to red. To do that, select the cell containing the numbers. Now right click and select the Format Cells option. Select the Custom option here. Now type green in the square bracket and then 0. This will format the positive numbers in green color. Now for the negative numbers, type a semicolon and then type red in the square brackets. Now type -0. Click the OK button to apply the format. As you can see, all these positive numbers are now formatted in green color and all the negative numbers are formatted in red color. Not only that, if you add or change any number, the color will be changed automatically according to the new number. If you want to change the color of only negative numbers to red, use this custom format. As you can see, this will change the negative number color, but positive numbers will have the default color. Similarly, if you want to change the color of only positive numbers to green, use this custom format. This will change the positive numbers to green, but all the negative numbers will have the default color. The second method to change the number color according to the sign is to use the conditional formatting. To use that, select all the cells and go to the Home tab and select the conditional formatting option. Now click on the New Rule menu item. We are going to create two new rules, one for the positive numbers and other for the negative numbers. Now click on the Format Only Cells that contains option. Select the Cell Value option from the first drop-down menu, the Less Than option from the second drop-down menu, and then type 0 in the third text box. Now click on the Format button. Go to the Font tab and select the red color from the Color drop-down menu and then click the OK button. Make sure to check the Preview section. Click the OK button to apply the conditional formatting. As you can see, all the negative numbers are now in red color. Similarly, let's create another rule for the positive numbers. This time, the condition will be if the cell value is greater than or equal to 0. The color we are going to choose is green instead of red. As you can see, we now have all the negative numbers in red color and all the positive numbers in green color. If you want to change the background color of negative or positive numbers instead of the color of the text, we can easily do that using conditional formatting. Let's create two new rules, one for applying a red background color for negative numbers and other for applying a green background color for positive numbers. The only change we need to make is to select the red background color from the Fill tab instead of selecting the red color from the Font tab. As you can see, we now have red and green cell backgrounds depending upon the sign of the number. Conditional formatting can do a lot more than just changing the text or background colors. Explore all the various options it offers to make your Excel spreadsheet look professional. Watch this video to learn how to easily extract the last name from the full name in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.